Yo, come along with me to make some press-ons for my girl Dulce. Dulce loves taper square, so I just cut these long coffins into a square and made it nice and tight. I'm using candy number 96. I just went in with 2 coats so I could have like a nice transparent nude. And then I go in with some blue, some orange, and some lilac and mix it with some magenta because I kind of wanted something a little more vibrant. And then I just sponge in everything layer by layer. I went in like probably 3 layers of each, and then I alternate the colors on top of each other. And then I go in with my long sharp line brush and just finesse the fuck, period. Like make everything look perfectly imperfect, kind of placed randomly. I kind of copied the picture she sent me, but also kind of did a little like my own thing, you know. Then I go in with some resin glue. This is for rhinestones. I just place those randomly along the nail. Bling, bling. It was some gunky stuck under the nail. This is the final set. I did some Frenches for her earlier too, but this is the completed set. I had fucked up, so I'm placing in the Frenchies for her. And I'm gonna whoop, period. Look at this, fire. I love this set. This set was so awesome. It really tested my artistic ability. And then I just go ahead and hot glue the rest of her things in place. My kits come with a little buffer, a cuticle pusher, a file, a glue. And I just do that so when I transport things, it doesn't move around. Yep, that's me. You already know. And of course, some nail stickers, my stickers, Daddy's Girl, a hollow Daddy Girl, hello Daddy Girl, and a hollow The Nail Daddy Sees Great Nails in Your Future, and of course, me. And then we close it up and I add a little rhinestone and call it a day, and now they're ready to be sent out. This is another pair I made for my other friend. Don't forget to order yours.